Dr. Jerry Tennant, a renowned ophthalmologist, proposes a groundbreaking theory: healing is voltage. This concept challenges traditional medical paradigms by asserting that the body's electrical system plays a pivotal role in health and disease. Dr. Tennant's journey began with his own health crisis, which led him to explore the intricate connections between electricity, cellular function, and healing. His research unveiled the importance of maintaining optimal cellular voltage for overall well-being. Dr. Tennant's theory centers around the idea that cells are like miniature batteries. Each cell requires a specific voltage to function optimally. When this voltage drops, cellular processes become impaired. This disruption can manifest as a wide range of health issues. Dr. Tennant's work highlights the often overlooked electrical dimension of health, emphasizing that maintaining proper voltage is crucial for the body's innate healing abilities. The healing is voltage theory emphasizes a paradigm shift in understanding health. It moves beyond treating symptoms and focuses on addressing the root cause of disease: cellular dysfunction due to voltage deficiencies. This holistic approach encourages us to view the body as an intricate electrical system, recognizing that maintaining optimal voltage is paramount for achieving and sustaining vibrant health. The human body is a marvel of electrical activity. Every cell, tissue, and organ relies on a delicate balance of charged particles called ions. These ions, such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, move across cell membranes, creating electrical gradients. These gradients generate the electrical potential that powers cellular functions. Nerves, the body's communication network, transmit signals as electrical impulses. These impulses travel along nerve fibers, allowing us to sense our surroundings, control our muscles, and experience the world. The heart, our tireless pump, relies on electrical signals to contract and propel blood throughout the body. The brain, the command center of our being, operates through a complex interplay of electrical currents. Brainwaves, measured by an electroencephalogram, EEG, reflect the synchronized activity of billions of neurons. These electrical patterns govern our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. From the rhythmic beating of our hearts to the intricate workings of our brains, electricity is the language of life. Understanding the body's electrical system is essential for comprehending how our cells communicate, how organs function, and how we maintain health. Just as a battery powers a device, cells require a specific voltage to function optimally. Dr. Tennant suggests that a healthy cell maintains a voltage of minus 25 millivolts. This voltage is crucial for numerous cellular processes, including nutrient absorption, waste removal, and DNA repair. When cellular voltage is at its optimal level, cells can efficiently perform their designated tasks. This optimal voltage facilitates the transport of nutrients into the cell and the removal of waste products. It also ensures the smooth operation of enzymes and other proteins essential for cellular function. Maintaining this voltage sweet spot is crucial for a healthy immune system. Immune cells rely on electrical signaling to identify and eliminate pathogens. A robust cellular voltage empowers the immune system to effectively defend against infections and diseases. Conversely, when cellular voltage drops, these vital processes become compromised. This impairment can lead to a decline in cellular health, making the body more susceptible to disease. Dr. Tennant posits that chronic diseases often stem from prolonged periods of low cellular voltage. Dr. Tennant's theory also highlights the crucial link between cellular voltage and pH levels. pH, a measure of acidity or alkalinity, plays a critical role in cellular function. An optimal pH balance is essential for enzyme activity, nutrient absorption, and overall cellular health. According to Dr. Tennant, cellular voltage and pH are intricately connected. He suggests that a drop in cellular voltage can lead to a more acidic cellular environment. This shift in pH can disrupt cellular processes, further compromising health. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH is considered ideal for cellular function. When the cellular environment becomes too acidic, it can create a breeding ground for inflammation and disease. Dr. Tennant emphasizes the importance of balancing pH levels to support optimal cellular voltage and overall health. Strategies for maintaining a healthy pH include consuming an alkaline-rich diet, managing stress levels, and ensuring adequate hydration. By addressing pH imbalances, we can support cellular voltage and promote a thriving internal environment. Dr. Tennant's theory posits that chronic diseases often arise from prolonged periods of low cellular voltage. When cells cannot maintain their optimal voltage, their function becomes compromised, leading to a cascade of negative health effects. Chronic inflammation, a hallmark of many chronic diseases, is often linked to low cellular voltage. When cells are energy deficient, they are more susceptible to damage and dysfunction, triggering inflammatory responses. This chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, are also associated with impaired cellular energy production. These conditions are characterized by a decline in brain cell function, which can be exacerbated by low cellular voltage. Dr. Tennant suggests that restoring cellular voltage may hold promise in supporting brain health and potentially slowing the progression of these debilitating diseases. Dr. Tennant's work suggests that addressing chronic diseases requires a focus on restoring cellular energy production. By increasing cellular voltage, we can potentially improve cellular function, reduce inflammation, and support the body's natural healing processes. Section 6. The Silent Thieves. Unveiling the culprits of voltage loss. A myriad of factors can contribute to cellular voltage depletion, acting as silent thieves that gradually sap our body's electrical energy. Identifying these culprits is crucial for understanding the root causes of voltage loss and developing effective strategies for restoration. Toxins, ubiquitous in our modern environment, are major contributors to cellular voltage depletion. Heavy metals, pesticides, and environmental pollutants can accumulate in the body, interfering with cellular processes and reducing voltage. Nutritional deficiencies also play a significant role. Our cells require a constant supply of essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to function optimally. When these nutrients are lacking, cellular energy production suffers. Stress, both physical and emotional, takes a toll on our cellular voltage. Chronic stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol which can disrupt cellular processes and deplete energy reserves. Dental issues, such as root canals and mercury fillings, can also impact cellular voltage. These dental concerns can harbor bacteria and toxins that leach into the body, affecting overall health and energy levels. Injuries, both acute and chronic, can disrupt energy flow in the body. Scar tissue, inflammation, and nerve damage can all contribute to voltage loss and impede healing. By addressing these underlying causes of voltage loss, we can create a more supportive environment for our cells to thrive and regain their electrical potential. Section 7. Energy highways. Mapping the body's electrical grid. Traditional Chinese medicine has long recognized the body's energetic pathways, known as meridians. These meridians are believed to be channels through which vital energy, or qi, flows throughout the body. Acupuncture, a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine, aims to stimulate specific points along these meridians to restore energy flow and promote healing. Dr. Tennant's work intersects with this ancient wisdom by suggesting that these meridians may also play a role in the body's electrical system. He proposes that meridians could act as conduits for electrical currents, facilitating communication and energy transfer between different parts of the body. While Western medicine has yet to fully embrace the concept of meridians, there is growing evidence to suggest that these energetic pathways may have a physiological basis. Studies have shown that acupuncture points often correspond to areas of higher electrical conductivity, suggesting a potential link between these ancient practices and the body's electrical system. Understanding the role of meridians in the context of cellular voltage could provide valuable insights into how energy flows through the body and how we can optimize this flow for optimal health. Section 8. Recharging the human battery. Strategies for voltage restoration. Restoring and maintaining optimal cellular voltage is paramount for achieving and sustaining vibrant health. Dr. Tennant suggests a multifaceted approach encompassing lifestyle modifications, targeted nutrition, and innovative therapies. Hydration is fundamental. Water acts as a conductor, facilitating the movement of ions and electrical currents throughout the body. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining cellular voltage and supporting overall health. Nutrition plays a vital role. Consuming a nutrient-dense diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, provides the building blocks for cellular energy production. Antioxidant-rich foods combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and deplete voltage. The biomodulator is a biofeedback and energy delivery device designed to measure the electrical activity of tissues. It delivers specific frequencies of electrical energy to stimulate the body's natural healing processes, help restore the body's optimal voltage for cellular repair and function. It uses microcurrent technology to interact with the body's electrical systems and bioenergetic pathways. Stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help regulate the body's stress response and mitigate the negative impacts of stress on cellular voltage. Addressing dental issues, such as replacing mercury fillings and addressing root canals, can remove sources of chronic toxicity and improve overall health. By adopting these strategies, we can support our body's innate ability to heal and thrive by optimizing cellular voltage. Section 9, Bridging the Gap, integrating conventional and energetic perspectives. Dr. Tennant's healing is voltage theory has garnered both intrigue and skepticism within the scientific community. While the theory offers a compelling perspective on the importance of the body's electrical system, it is essential to acknowledge the need for further research to validate its claims. One of the main criticisms is the lack of extensive, peer-reviewed studies specifically designed to test the theory's hypotheses. While Dr. Tennant's work is based on years of clinical observation and research, more rigorous scientific investigation is needed to establish a stronger foundation of evidence. Another critique is that the theory may oversimplify the complexity of disease. While cellular voltage undoubtedly plays a role in health, attributing all diseases solely to voltage deficiencies may not encompass the multifaceted nature of many health conditions. Despite these criticisms, Dr. Tennant's work offers a valuable contribution to the evolving understanding of health and healing. His theory highlights the often overlooked electrical dimension of health, prompting further exploration into the intricate connections between energy, cells, and disease. Integrating Dr. Tennant's insights with conventional medical knowledge could lead to a more holistic approach to healthcare, one that considers both the biochemical and bioelectrical aspects of human health.